and it's a 43. That gets here at 1:58. 17 minutes.
Yeah, not long.
No, not long. Filming?
I think you might.
I don't know, it's a little further.
I haven't seen Cardiff for a while, so I'm hoping to see at least one of them today. And it looks like Berkeley Castle again.
It is. Taking off the track for ages, that one.
They're trying to keep them going as long as they possibly can. Yeah, I wouldn't mind.
The main at the other end, isn't it?
There's Walton Castle we saw recently.
At the back.
Yeah, there's a Walton one. I haven't seen this in a 9-car race. Well,
the spinker.
They're nearly 50 years old though, aren't they?
Not nearly. Let's see the dragon.
This is Cardiff Castle one.
Not the back.
But no, I can't see any clock in here anyway. City one. Reasonably though. Like that one needs to go to the front.
That's the demo castle at the front. I don't want the back.
It did look at the silver dragon, the golden one on the back of this one. I don't know. 189. Yeah, I can hear it.
I can hear it too. Sounds like the cargo. It's gone early.
Wait, that was the London Pantom one we saw.
Bridge.
The London Pantom one was the best one. Here he is.
That was gone early. Night raining.
Small one.
you see him? I'm not sure because
I can hear him.
Have much.
There he is. I can see him. He's coming around the corner.
That's the one going the other way.
Yeah, he's going towards Penzance.
That's not. Oh yeah, that one's towards Penzance. That's the Cardiff train then. That's the Cardiff train.
Yeah, I can't see much though from here.
No.
Well, when you get drives honking at you. $85 miles an hour. He had an orange band on him. Do you not see that?
No, I didn't. Well, it's not bad for you up here.
Imagine
It's